Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in ServiceNow Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in ServiceNow Cloud, start by researching the company's background and business model. Gain a thorough understanding of ServiceNow's services and products, focusing on their cloud computing solutions. Study recent market trends in cloud services to identify growth potential. Evaluate ServiceNow's financial health by reviewing their latest earnings reports and balance sheets. Look into their client base and partnerships to gauge market trust and stability. Familiarize yourself with ServiceNow's competitive landscape, noting key competitors in the cloud sector. Consider using market analysis tools to track ServiceNow's stock performance over time. Set specific investment goals based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one, selecting a platform that fits your needs. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to prepare for purchasing shares. Decide on the amount you wish to invest in ServiceNow shares. Place a market or limit order to buy the desired shares of ServiceNow. Monitor your investment regularly, keeping an eye on company news and performance updates. Reassess your investment strategy periodically, adjusting as needed based on new information or market changes. Consider consulting a financial advisor to discuss your investment in ServiceNow and overall portfolio strategy. Stay informed about industry developments and innovations in cloud technology to maximize your investment potential. Be prepared for fluctuations in stock prices, maintaining a long-term perspective for better investment outcomes. Engage with financial news and analysis to remain updated on relevant economic trends. Continue educating yourself about service management solutions and their impact on businesses. Networking with professionals in the field can provide valuable insights into ServiceNow's future prospects. Keep a balanced investment portfolio to mitigate risks associated with stock market volatility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.